I'll switch on to third question here. Now third question is here. How to solve the equation? What is the equation here? 18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0. They mention what they mention, solve the equation. Given that one root is half the sum of remaining roots. So this is the equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma. One root is, let us say alpha is a root, is sum of 50%. Sum of one root is half of the sum of the remaining root, half of sum of other roots. Okay, clear, right? Half
Yes.
of sum of other roots. This is a condition. By using this condition, you can find the answers. Okay, now they don't want to touch yours. Okay, let us take S1 or S2 and S3, which is comfortable. I'll take it S1 for my convenient. What is S1 here? S1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the answer here? Minus 81 by 18. After this, if you go for a 9 table, what are you going to get answer? Minus 9 by 2. Okay. For
Yes.
this beta plus gamma is equal, can I write 2 alpha?
Yes, sir.
So alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. 3 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. Alpha is equal to 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, minus 3 by 2. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
You got alpha value now. Clear, right? Okay. Now let us take alpha value is done. I'll go for S3. S3 means what? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is the value of S3? 60. How much
60
answer?
by 18,
Yeah,
81,
minus 60 or 60?
18.
Minus 60.
60.
Minus plus
Yeah.
minus. Minus 60 by 18. How much you get? Alpha value, please substitute here. Minus 3 by 2. Beta, gamma. Minus 60 by 18. How much beta, gamma? After you simplify, you tell me. Answer is 20 by 9.
10.
2 ones are 2 nines are. 3 ones are
10.
3 20s are. 20 by 9. Beta, gamma. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Once again, I'm reminding you, you got already alpha value. You got already alpha value.
Alpha
Your
value.
main other target is beta, gamma. Okay. So I think beta, gamma means you got now beta into delta product you got. Okay. Summation also you'll get beta plus gamma is equal to what? 2 alpha, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll write beta alpha is equal to what you got answer here. Once again, I'll write it down. What is the alpha value?
Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2. What is beta gamma beta gamma product enta?
20 by 9.
What is a beta plus gamma? Beta plus gamma 2 alpha. So 2 into alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3. Beta plus gamma minus 3. Beta into gamma 20 by 3. Will you find beta minus delta? Beta minus gamma?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్ తొందరగా సెకండ్ లో చెప్పాలి ఓకే do the procedure find it out beta minus gamma. After beta minus gamma you'll get, you can take equation 1 and equation 2, solve beta gamma, you'll get beta and gamma answers. Okay, minus
Yes.
4 by 3 minus 5 by 3, this is the answers. After you do, you'll get it out. This is the way he has to do third question. Clear? Any no doubt?
Clear, sir.
Done. I'll move to next one. Next, fourth question I don't want to touch. That is not necessary. It's very a waste of time. I'll go to fifth question. That is not much important. I'll go to fifth question. What is the fifth question? Read the fifth question.
Show that x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 equal to 0 has 3 equal roots and find these roots. In second case.
Oh, very topper.
Two
They're
questions.
telling, yeah, two questions. Okay, let us take first question. X power 5, 5x square, 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the order of equation here?
5.
Order of fifth order. How many roots?
5.
What they're telling condition?
3 equal roots. and
Three
find
equal roots.
has 3 equal roots. Yes.
3 equal roots అంటున్నాడు. Find all roots అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ 3 ఈక్వల్
Yes.
రూట్స్ అంటుండు కాబట్టి నేను ఒక లాజిక్ తీసుకుంటా. ఐ థింక్ వాట్ దే టెలింగ్, లెట్ us take f of x. I'll take, what is f of x?
Right.
They're telling equal roots, right? It means multiple roots. I'll take, I don't want to do for trial and error method for this. I'll take f of f dash of x. I'll take f dash of x for my economy. After f dash of x, what do you get answer?
5x per 4.
Okay.
Yes.
Now start analysis for this trailer and error method. I can take 0, -1, +1, like that you'll move. When I was doing, I got answer f of 1, f dash of 1 is equal to 0. Okay. It means x is equal to 1 you got. This means alpha is equal to 1 you got. Alpha is equal to 1 means what? Beta also 1.
equals to
Gamma also 1. Okay, right? Because they already mentioned there are 3 roots are equal. Okay, we has to prove it is. So మనం చూపించాలి, we need to prove that there are 3 equal roots. You got one root is you got x equal to 1. Whatever others is correct or not, we has to do it procedure. So how to do it other 2 roots means first you take a question. F of x is the question. What is the question here? X power 5 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So you got alpha is equal to 3. Alpha is equal to, sir, 1. You got beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to 1. You need to prove. They are telling you need to prove is it correct or not. So for what I have to do is I'll take a question first. So question means how to do x power 5 quotient and 1. What about x power 4 quotient? Nothing is there. You treat it as 0. 0 minus 5 5 minus 1. Clear?
yes.
Now take it is 1. Okay, it is 0. 1 1s are 1 1 1 minus 4 1 1 0 gone. Okay, next let us take one more one. 0 1 1 2 2 minus 2. How much you are not going to get? Is it 0? You have to get 0 only. 1 1 minus 4 1 0 minus 5. You are missing something else here. X quotient you are missing here. 0 into x and minus 1. That is what you are missing. Here it is 1. You'll get 1 1s are 1. Here it is 0. Now clear it. X power 5, x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant. That is the procedure. Next, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. How much you get? Minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Answer is 0. 1 plus 1. Okay. What is the order of equation here?
5.
Fifth order, fourth order. What is third order? What is third order here? X cube, 2x square, minus 2x, minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So already they mentioned one root is alpha is equal to 1. Okay. It means what about other two roots? 1 satisfied? 1 1.
Yes.
For this already you got answer. So 3 roots already got. They are mentioned it is 3 are equal roots and చూపించమంటున్నాడు. They are not to find out other roots. Just find the roots another. They are asked to find out what are the 3 roots. The 3 roots are 1 1 1. That's all. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
That's all. If you have any doubt, nothing more than that. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to also we can do it out. Nothing wrong with that. We'll get it out. Okay. But this is the way you can do it out. Some of the 3 roots you can find out, you can do it. Multiple roots means this is you can do it out. Repeated roots and other roots. Now next, we'll move on to next question. What is second question?
find the repeated roots of x power 5 minus 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12 equals to 0.
Same repeated root means we have other root also, same roots, multiple roots anamata. So take first f of x, find f dash of x. For f dash of x, you can find roots. Okay, any one root you can find by using trailer and error
Trial
method.
and error method.
After take it f of x, this you can do 2 times. If it is answer is 2, you take it 2 for second time also, because they are telling it is repeated roots. Okay, you can do it out. Am I clear? It's
Yes.
after this is fifth order, this is fourth order. Whatever you will get, equation ఏం వస్తుంది? థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది. ఈ థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయలేరా? సేమ్ దానికి మళ్ళీ ట్రైలర్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ వెళ్ళండి, ఒకటి కనుక్కోండి, మళ్ళీ చేయండి, ఇంకా 2 కనుక్కోండి. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ రిపీటెడ్ రూట్ అన్నాడు. రిపీటెడ్ రూట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కొని ఒక రూట్ కనుక్కోండి, అంటే సేమ్ రూట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది ఇంకొకటి అని తెలుస్తుంది. అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ తీసుకొని ఆ వచ్చిన 2 రూట్స్ కాబట్టి 2 టైమ్స్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు ఫిఫ్త్ ఆర్డర్ బికమ్స్ ఫోర్త్ ఆర్డర్, ఫోర్త్ ఆర్డర్ బికమ్స్ థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది. సో థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ ఎట్లా కనుక్కుంటారంటే థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ మళ్ళీ ట్రైల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్ చేయండి. ఫ్రెష్ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి వస్తుంది రూట్, నెక్స్ట్ 2 మీరు కనుక్కోండి. ఓకేనా? సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ అట్లా మీకు మొత్తం 5 వస్తాయి. 5లో 2 రిపీట్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకైనా 2 రిపీట్ ఉంటాయి, నథింగ్ రాంగ్. రిపీటెడ్ రూట్స్ అంటే సెట్ అనమాట. 2 ఉంటే ఇంకోటి కూడా 2 ఉంటుంది, ఇంకోటి 1 ఉంటే ఇంకోటి కూడా 1 ఉంటుంది. అట్లా 5 ఉంటే 2 పేజ్ కూడా రావచ్చు, నథింగ్ రాంగ్ ఇన్ దట్. Am I clear? It's
Yes, sir.
next go to sixth question. Read the sixth question here. The equation has multiple roots. Multiple roots.
Yes.
Multiple roots means same story. They mentioned third order equation is LKG thing. You can easily get it out. F of x you take and solve it. So they are telling it is solve the equation. Multiple roots are not. Take f. It is how much order? Third order, right? Take second order. F dash of x you find out. For this f dash of x, you can do it out your things. You'll get answer.
Trial and error method.
Yes, exactly. And the trial and error methods also awesome. F dash of x means second order equation, right?
Yes.
Then you can do it out. Second order equation. Very simple, right? Am I clear or not? Any doubt?
Yes. No.
If you have a doubt, I'll move it. 8x cube minus 20x square 6x plus 9 nana. F of x is it. What is f dash of x? 24x square minus 40x plus 6 f dash of x is equal to 0. If you want to take some common, you take, you find out. If I take 2 is common, 12x square minus 20x plus 3. This second order equation you solve, right? Why to go for that? Am I clear? Simple. If you solve this, you are very top side. You'll get 2 roots or 1 root. Nothing wrong in that. After this solve, you'll get x is equal to 3 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 6. 2 roots I got. If you want other root means, let us take 3 by 2. You take it. F of x is equation. You do it and method. Is it not right or wrong? You check it out. If it's 3 by 2, you can do it otherwise 3 by 2. Is it getting or not? You'll get easily understanding it is. Okay. If answer corners are 0, this is a root. Then you get alpha, beta, gamma. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the way you can do sixth question. With this, your 4B is finished. Okay. Now we are switch on to the 4C. What is the 4C? Make it fast. What is the first question? First bit. Form the polynomial.
Form the polynomial equation whose roots are 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, 1 plus i, 1 minus i.
Polynomial means more than second order. So they mention the roots. First question, 2 plus or 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, 1 plus i, 1 minus i. If I mention whatever the roots, I am LKG student, right? What I can do? This is x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta is equal to 0. You are a topper says please multiply. I don't want to multiply. That's all. You'll get fourth order equation. That is the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Condition when you're doing, I told you I is equal to root minus 1, I square equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I power 4 is equal to 1. These things you remind and do it out. Okay. This is already, right? I square minus 1, I cube minus I power 4, 1. Because I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Clear? This
Yes.
is already, complex numbers. I don't want to touch right now. It's a whole topic. First, second, third question, fourth question, you do your own. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tapas clear? Right. Next, go to second question, second bit. Tapas, tell me second question. Form the
From the
polynomial of
polynomial
x.
equation with rational coefficients whose roots are 4 root 3, 5 plus 2i. First
First
question.
question is 4 root 3, comma 5
5
plus
plus 2i.
2i. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, okay. There are polynomial with rational coefficient. The roots are conjugative and they are conjugative complex numbers. Okay, 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 okay. That's all the thing. Okay. The mention is very simple. Which are alpha is equal to 4 root 3 means other root minus 4 root 3. Here gamma is equal to 5 plus 2i, delta is equal to 5 minus 2i. Okay, why it is, please can you read the question once again? Form the rational coefficients, which are
Rational coefficient.
rational coefficient means one root is 5 plus 2a, other root is 5 minus 2a. There is no question. Okay, one is 4 root 3. This is called a third center. Other root is 4 minus 4 root 3. You got how many roots right now? 4 roots you got. Okay. With this, I think just now I told you x minus 4 root 3, x plus 4 root 3, x minus like this, x minus like this. Please multiply, you'll get answer. Easy way. Okay. Don't take bypass, do it very simple. Okay. The next, I like second bit, we have one more question. 1 plus 5i, other is 5 minus i. 1 plus 5i they mention. Other is 1 minus 5i default. One is 5 minus I, other
1
is
minus
5
5i.
plus 5 plus I. 4 roots. You take it same as usual. Okay, very simple. I am telling method. Don't take that much complexity. If it is a very tougher, I'll tell you one more logic also. X square alpha plus beta into plus alpha beta, x square and gamma plus delta into x gamma delta is equal to 0. This is one pair, right? This is one pair. What is the summation of roots? X square. What is the sum of the roots here? 5, 5 common, right? How much answer? 2 into x. What is the product of roots? 1 into 1, 1 square plus 25 is 26. X square. What is the sum of the roots? I cancel. How much it is there? 10. What is the product of the roots? 5, 5 is 25 plus 26. This is right. Okay. This is the way you'll get it out. These two you multiply, you'll get fourth order equation. Am I clear? It. Sir, why
Yes.
you take that much risk means take general process, all in one process, evergreen process. Okay, Praveen sir, here continue. You'll get nothing. You'll get okay. You'll get correct answer. Same process. Whatever you method you follow, nothing wrong in that. Whenever you follow, take it is equal and opposite means alpha plus beta is simple. That is what I'm telling. Second bit, rest of all questions you do your own. Okay.
Yes.
Next, second question overrides. Next, we'll move next question. The second bit. So we have the second bit, right? Solve the equation of this given root is one of the other root. Okay, okay, okay. The second bit and third bit to fourth bit. Will possible by tomorrow we'll finish this fourth equation. Or can I move to can I go to second bit? If it is comfortable, I'll move forward second bit also.
Yes, sir.
Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is second bit here? Solve the equation x power 4 2x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Given that one is a root of its what they mention here, they we need to solve the equation. Solve means this equation possessing alpha, beta, gamma, delta, 4 roots. What they mention, one root they mention. What is equal to alpha value? 1 plus I. When they mention complex value, other root also definitely other value. 1 minus complex conjugate. Did they mention complex value alpha, beta automatically other value complex conjugate. It means two roots you got. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So two roots you got, right? Please, by using these two roots, you'll make it out x minus alpha into x minus beta. Will you find second order equation?
Yes.
Okay. Second order equation means x. What do you get? X square alpha plus beta 2x plus alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? 1 square 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Am I clear? This is the second order equation. Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So next, for this, what you can say here, x square is a factor, right? Okay. When this factor, you can do it out. Okay. X cube and the fourth order equation, right? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Let's move forward. -2. Okay. Then you move forward for fourth order equation here. Let us start working over for fourth order equation. What is the fourth order equation? X power 4. I'll cut to the next page. X power 4 plus 2x cube 5x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the fourth order equation. With this fourth order equation, you're trying to solve. How to solve this? 1, 2, minus 5, 6, 2. Let us take it is 2 means 0, 0, right? Okay. This process you can do other way also. Okay. This coefficients you can do it out, right? Okay. Other method also there for this. I'll take it, move forward. Let us wait a 1 minute.
X plus 2 equals 0.
Yeah. For this, you got the answers. They mention already clear. One root. One root is alpha is equal to what? 1 plus I. Similarly, we got beta is equal to minus I. When they mention the two roots, alpha, beta, gamma, it means one is a complex root, so other it is complex conjugate of other root. When they mention the two complex numbers, we cannot proceed as like a previous methods. The solving like this. Previous case we did of many questions like this. So when they mention complex root, we cannot move like that. We have an alternate procedure when the complex root is there. When the complex root is there, first to frame a equation. First form a equation. What is the equation here? X square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0.
2 equals to 0. Second
So
degree.
yeah, here he has to take two values. This I'll write on the next page. You understand what is the equation here? X square minus 2x plus 2. This is the equation here. So how to do process is, please leave two space columns here. Two space columns you leave here. First of all, here what you has to do is, what's the value of here? X value coefficient, how much it is? -2. You take it opposite. If it is here, it is -2. You write +2. Okay. Next case, here you write +2. Write with eraser clearly. First you write +2 here for this. Next, this is +2. Here you have to write -2. Clear? Are you following me or not?
Yes.
After this, what you have to do is, here nothing you write. Here nothing you write. It is 0. Default the values as 0. Okay. Will this note out, right?
Yes.
From this, you're very important. Please follow me. What I have to. Otherwise, we'll explain here. First, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Answer is 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, +2 into 1, +2.
2.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This line is clear. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. This line is clear. Okay?
Yes.
Next, +2 into 4, 8. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So, -5 plus 8. But is it line is clear? ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ ఉందా? లేదు కదా?
Okay.
వెయిట్ ఏ మినిట్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ రావడం కోసం ఇది చేయాలా, ఈ 2 చేయాలా. ఓకే, ఆమె క్లియర్ ఇట్స్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇది రాయాలి. -2 ఇంటూ 1,
-2.
ఇక్కడ -2 రాయాలి. అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లిస్ ఇక్కడ వేస్తాం కదా, బట్ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లిస్ ఇక్కడ ముందు చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ క్లియర్ ఉంది కదా కంప్లీట్లీ.
Yes.
నౌ విల్ టేక్ -5 -2 -7 + 8. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1. క్లియర్ కదా?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ నీకు వాల్యూ వేయాలి, ఎక్కడ రావాలా, ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేయాలా, మైనస్ +2 1 +2. బట్ ఇక్కడ లైన్ క్లియర్ ఉందా, లేదు కదా. నవ్ యూ కెన్
No,
గో
sir.
టు దిస్ -2 into -4. How much it is? -8. Line clear? Add it out. Answer is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, here nothing you write. Okay. Here how much answer is? +2 0. Answer is 0.
0.
Next ఇక్కడ line clear ఉందా, లేదు కదా, దీంతో చేయాలి. -2
No, sir.
into 1.
-2.
-2. Answer ఎంత?
0. 0.
Clear? This is fourth order. This is third order. You are going to get second order. Am I clear? It's
Yes, sir.
what is the answer you get? X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Am I clear? It's
0.
this
Yes.
equation you solve. Already you two roots you know. Other two roots you find out for this equation.
Yes.
So x square minus 4x plus
Minus
1
4x
is equal to 0.
plus 1 equal to 0.
Solve this equation, you'll get answer. X is equal to -2 plus √3. X is equal to -2 minus √3. Okay. Okay. This is the rest of the two roots. Clear, right?
Yes.
Copy the answer fast.
So back page, sir.
Okay. Wait 1 minute. This is the way. So if you want, once again I'll try to explain. This is a very first time, right? When they mention a complex roots, complex conjugate roots, first you find the equation by taking two complex values. They mention one root, other root you can assumption complex conjugate. First you frame a equation. After this, first you take equation. This equation you can write it right here. First you take x quotient value. This opposite value write it down here. Next you take other value. You can write opposite sign here. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Next, first you take it default.
0.
These are nothing you don't want to touch. You can keep it 0 for this 3.
Yes, sir.
This complete line you'll get answers by doing this only. Okay. Next, this other also there. This complete line answers you'll get by doing this. That point you remember. Okay. For this is fourth order. This becomes third order. This becomes second order. This is out of matter. When you're doing this, you must be careful. First I'm telling.
Yes.
First you take it 0 0. So answer is 1. 1 1s are 2 1s are plus 2. Answer is already 0 default. Your line is clear. You go 2 plus 2 4. Next 4 2s are 8. This you'll get. But this you will not get. This you wanted to get, you can do this. 2 1s are -2. This line is clear. Now we care. This you want answer, you can do this. If it is not value here, you do this one. When you're doing this, little bit move forward. One step munduku veltundi. Let one step move forward. Clear, right? Like this you will find out. After this fourth order, third order, you'll get second order. This second order equation you'll find out. Am I clear? The second order equation you solve, you'll get answers like this. This you got. What about other answers? They already mentioned x alpha is equal to 5 plus I. Some value they mentioned 1 plus I. Beta is equal to 1 minus I. Gamma is equal to this. Delta is equal to this. You got 4 answers. Answer is finished.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, go to second question. Go to next second question here.
Solve the equation 3x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 88 equals to 0, which has 2 minus root minus 7 as a root.
One is this root another 2 minus 7 root 100, 2 plus I, 2 plus or minus 2 plus I root 7. Other is 2 minus root 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus and I means they are telling like this, right? In a textbook. So this I can write 7 into I square. This I can write. I will come out I root 7. One root is alpha, other root is like this. You'll get it out beta. Do take this one equation you form. That equation by taking this f of x question, you're trying it out. You'll get an answer. Okay, very simple. Okay,
Yes.
2 roots you know.
Yes.
After doing, you'll get 1 root. 3 roots gone.
Yes, sir.
Next third question. It's a fourth order equation. What is the equation? Fourth order equation. Alpha is equal to 2 plus I root 3. Beta is equal
2
to,
minus I root.
okay, Fermi equation.
Yes,
Do
sir.
it similarly. You'll get gamma delta. Next equation.
Yes, sir.
Next fourth equation. Same. Similarly, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Okay. Next
Yes.
fifth question. Fifth question. Similarly, little important. Fifth question. They're telling minus 2 plus root minus 7. This means you treat it as 2 plus I root 7. Okay. Other is minus 2 minus I root 7. Take it this 2. Rest of you find out. Similar procedure. Sixth one also same procedure. Seventh one also same procedure.
No.
Seventh one is not same process. Seventh one is different. They have one of its root. You need to find out other roots also. That you will think later. You don't. You are supposed to confused. Okay. Till sixth you complete
Yes.
homework. Okay. Seventh, eighth tomorrow we'll see. For anything else. Okay. Then after that
Yes.
he has to concentrate on that sixth 4D and tomorrow. Okay. With this tomorrow class we will finish that complete chapter. Tomorrow is